Welcome to my channel SKS Technical Life. In this video, I will show you the one of the errors solution in the our code. Okay, so let me show you first the error. In my project, I am getting this error. You can see this, that is node internal DNS promises like this, and the error is this. You will see here. Okay, so I am getting this error, and finally after maybe I am taking a 10 to 15 hour to solve this error, but finally when I am got this solution of this error, uh, it's like a look like a joke. Okay, so sorry, but let me show you the solutions and what the steps I done previous so to solve this problem. Okay, and you will see this, the finally I get the solution and I get the connection of MongoDB. Okay, I done the connection of MongoDB. So first let me show you the steps that I taken first. So what I done previously, I check my internet problems. Okay, if maybe this type of error comes because of the internet. Okay, which type of internet you are connecting, which is Wi-Fi or the mobile hotspots, these types of solution giving my chat GPT, and I work on them, but this is not a final error, and I'm not getting the solution. Then I also work on the wrong connection string. Means sometime we are maybe when we copy the string MongoDB connection string, and maybe it's wrong sometimes, or you are not entering a correct password or the username, something else type of mistakes. Then I also try this thing also, but this is not also an error. But if you are solving this type of error, you have to also go through from these steps. Okay, you have to check their internet, wrong connection string, IP not whitelisted, DNS issues, firewall block connection, and VPN issues. You have to first check these errors maybe. Okay, you have to check these things, and then you can try my solution of this error. Okay, so I change my IP addresses also. Okay, and DNS issues I getting, and I solve that, but finally when I'm run my project, this is also not a solution for my project. Okay, and the firewall block connections and VPN issues, this type all the things I am done, but I am not getting the solution. But finally I get the solution. Let me show you. This is my project's code. So terminal, let me open. First of all, let me run my project, and I will show you the error, and then I finally give you the solution and the reason of that error. Npm npm start, and you will see my project is running and it's getting an error. Okay, this is the final error, and let me tell you why this error coming, because of the node version, So how to solve this? Just you have to change the node version. Okay, so let me change. You already know about that thing, that is NVM, to change the version so that you can use multiple version in the laptop. Okay, so control C, and let me change the node version, and you will see currently I am using this version. Okay, NVM use, I mean 24.131. Because of this I am getting this type of error. Because of this, in my system I am getting, in my project I am getting this type of error because of this node version. Okay, so let me change the version from 24 to 20.11.1. Okay, so yes, after that, now let me run the project, and you will see my project is now working. Now the MongoDB is connected. There is no error like this. Okay, so this is from my side. This is the error in my program or in my system, and this is possible that in your program maybe different error comes. This error come because of the different reason. So if you are not getting the solution from my side, and I mean to if you are not solved error by this doing this thing, so you have to just search other way or on other sites. You have to continue to solve your error, work on your error. So thank you and best of luck. Goodbye.